Oh, hell no. What up, guys? Mike here, owns Pressure Washing Entrepreneur Army. It's been a little while. We've been not really that busy or nothing. I've been staying busy, but we've slowed down on the wash end. We're picking back up now, thankfully. Got the new website, and I can already notice getting more jobs from other areas, which I usually didn't get jobs from. But we got this little stinker. We don't have a name for him yet, but look how big his paws are for a little guy. But anyway, we have we did a roof cleaning. We got a couple house washes that I have footage of, and yeah, just want to put some stuff up there and show you guys, you know, what I've been up to. The huge convention is coming up. Don't forget, I got the link in the description along with the promo code Olin. It's all in the description, but it'll save you $50 if you are going to the huge convention. Use that link and promo code and you will save $50. $50 will make you holla. And who knows, you could buy some soap or something, some Roof Snot or Agent Halt or something there, you know, from one of the vendors. But yeah, I also have a video in the making about my buddy Joe's gutter tool. I've had some footage, but it's just a matter of finding it, going through some of my old GoPros. But yeah, so enjoy the video, guys. Another thing, I had the knobs on my metering system go missing on the GF valves. Luckily, I had backup, but that was a pain in the butt. Most would assume this kind of stuff is outdoor, so it's waterproof, but you know, why take the chance? So literally takes 2 seconds. Tarp that whole thing, just tape each corner, put a couple pieces of tape in the danger areas, allows the soap, if anything, come down, and it will go where it's, you know, the boxes aren't. So that'll literally take you 2 seconds. We'll get this started. Some content. I know this is gonna be fucked. Oh damn.
Oh.
Yeah, that's fucked. When you get these fittings, they have the black ones in there, but these brown Vitens are the best way to go. Just pop it in. Stick your little pick in there. This might take a few times. Just take your time. Just got to make sure it's sitting in there correctly, or else it's no good. Right. Oh, there's shit in there from the other one. Okay, squeeze it, pop it in. Once you get it close enough, when you put the connection on, it usually pops it into place. But I want to make sure I'm on, because okay, let's see if you can get a shot in there. You have it seated correctly, we're good. We'll just pop it right back up here, and then I'll take it off, make sure it's in there still, and then we should be good to go. Awesome. Shing. Thanks, bud. Doing this 2-story house wash. Basically, the way we've been doing it is we got our roof pump out. I got about a 2.5% going through. We are doing stucco, and I got Anthony with the 8 gallon per minute rinsing behind me. I know the 2.5's a little hot. It's a little hot of a mix, but the way we do it is I'll have him come in front of me. He'll rinse everything lightly, and then I'll coat everything lightly. Any real dark, dirty areas, I'll hit a little heavier, meaning apply more mix, and then he'll come and rinse everything except for the really dirty areas, and we'll recoat that and let that sit a little longer. The idea being that the areas that aren't so dirty get rinsed right away, and the areas that are dirty are able to soak up in the solution extra. So it's been working out good. We got a little Red Raider in the mix. It's making our windows pop. So definitely happy with the, I got Snotminade, Slow-Mo, and Red Raider in the mix. So you can see how clean those windows come out. I love it. So yeah, check those windows out. When you can see the sky in the windows, you know you got a clean window. Let's finish this day up. Okay, let's get home. Excuse me, sir. What the fuck? Oh, hell no. What's going on? What? What the? We're asking about the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man and the Ghostbusters car and the Superman. So this is an entrepreneur page. So just a little company I invested in. It's a they make NFTs, which is a whole, you know, you can YouTube that, but non-fungible token, basically digital art, or it could be anything really. They could do concert tickets, movie tickets, art, collectibles. Anyway, it's this app called Vivi. If you want, look it up. It's up to you. I am not a financial advisor, so that's all on you, but that's something that I'm heavily invested in. And so that's what these NFTs are. I bought some of the NFTs. I have some of the shares, the cryptocurrency it is. I honestly feel like it's it's almost like being in the beginning of like Amazon when they first started. So that's just my thought. Like I said, not a financial advisor, but check that out if you want. And people were asking, so I'm telling.